Hey there! So, we got a bit of a problem on our hands with this mysterious slit on the device in question. It's leaving us scratching our heads wondering what its purpose could possibly be called to be a source of light, or maybe it's housing the Bluetooth interface. Who knows? But one thing's for sure, this slit is definitely causing some confusion for us tech enthusiasts. Now, let's delve into the solution to our little conundrum. According to the information provided, this slit might actually be related to a light bulb icon. Yes, you heard that right, it could potentially light up, illuminating our way through the darkness. Or, it could be a part of the Bluetooth interface on the device, allowing for seamless connectivity with other gadgets. Either way, it seems like this slit serves a practical purpose, contrary to our initial speculations. In summary, we've explored the enigma of the slit on the device, pondering whether it's a light source or a gateway to Bluetooth connectivity. While we may not have a definitive answer, the possibilities are certainly intriguing. And with that, it's time to wrap up this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this quirky tech mystery. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology.